Well, Nicolas Sarkozy is being accused of corruption and influence peddling, as you just mentioned. He arrived here at the courthouse in Paris just a few moments ago to appear before a judge alongside two other defendants, Thierry Herzog, his former lawyer, and also Gilbert Azibert, a top judge here in France. They all face the same charges, corruption and influence peddling. And prosecutors, they say that Sarkozy and his lawyer, well, they try to bribe Azibert. They wanted him to hand over confidential information on an investigation targeting Nicolas Sarkozy back in 2014. That investigation at the time claimed that Sarkozy had received illegal campaign funding from L'Oréal's Harris Liliane Bettencourt for his 2007 presidential campaign. And now in return, Sarkozy, well, he promised to offer some help to Azibert to secure a high-profile job in Monaco. Now, there's been a lot of uncertainty surrounding this trial at the moment and whether it will go ahead as planned. Because of the coronavirus pandemic, Azibert, one of the defendants, who is 74 years old, well, he says that his health does not allow him to appear before a judge here today. His lawyers have presented a medical certificate to argue that it could be too risky, that he could basically expose himself to the virus if he actually appears before a judge. Now, the judge is actually expected to order some medical tests to determine if, in fact, Azibert is too frail to actually stand on trial here today. Whether the trial actually begins today or perhaps in a few weeks, well, Sarkozy, he has fought tooth and nail to actually see this case dropped over the years. And what's important to know, as you mentioned, is that the case is based on wiretaps of phone conversations between Sarkozy and his lawyer Thierry Herzog. Now, both men, well, they claim that those were illegal, that they're a breach of client-attorney privilege, and so the lawyers are expected perhaps to bring that up again.